Guys, join me as I make pepper soup indomie for my man.
Now when I always cook for a man, I know they sabi great. Anyway, continue.
This is actually my first time of cooking for him because we started dating just 2 weeks ago.
Stop it.
You know, they say the way to a man's heart is his stomach.
I don't think that applies to your boyfriend, but continue.
I hope that he gives me his heart after eating this.
I doubt any will remain after I finish eating this food.
The way my last relationship ended is still a mystery to me. It was on a weekend, and then the mother asked me to cook bitter leaf soup for them.
I don't know why someone that you they do that kind of thing. Person who the day too is not the house I cook soup for you.
The bitter leaf soup, nobody ate. I tried asking my man, what is it? Is there a problem? He said no, that I should not worry, it's not a problem.
There's no problem.
To our base,
High blood pressure.
my house, and said he got an urgent call.
I wonder what is up to. It's not very nice, is it?
Guys, that
Yes, Assistant Bolisho Yinka.
was the end of it. I did not hear from, neither did I see Okechukwu again. I found out that he has moved out of that place. I don't know why some men will do everything possible to make you love them.
Don't mind them. Not very demure of them.
When you start loving them, they will start misbehaving.
Only help you to one mostly to about to correct you right.
Do you guys think it's because of the onubu soup I made?
Kojejebe. Kamari.
I don't really know. Till date, I'm still asking myself plenty questions.
I thought about to say, oh, Jay, when you start to cook this food up to the way where you do now, we ourselves will still ask our question and we never get the answer. Continue.
Because I don't know. Or do you think it's his mother that doesn't like me?
See, na collaboration ni.
You see a grown man allowing your mother control you, telling you who to marry or who not to marry.
Stop mind their mommy's boys.
This guy that I'm cooking for now, I met him 2 weeks ago and he has been so good to me.
Only move face on a day.
He bought me iPhone 16 Pro Max just last week.
Wait to a girl's heart is iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes.
To eat pepper soup indomie because the weather is cold.
We hope he doesn't regret his decision. No.
Please make pepper soup indomie for me. I'm making it with love again.
Realize another pot now they look because all we can see is hypertension, high blood pressure, stroke, cardiac arrest, diabetes, eat of pepper and plenty water. Take it.
Just hope that he doesn't treat me the way Okechukwu treated me. Because this one, I don't think I can survive it too.
Trust me, you do just fine. Once beating, 10 times shy.
But the truth is that Okechukwu was not the first man to stop talking to me after eating my food.
Told you you'll be just fine. I told you. I knew it.
My friends used to tell me that I know how to cook. They eat my food. They tell me I know how to cook.
That's why you have to pick your friends carefully. Yes.
And that the man that will marry me will enjoy.
No order to those friends. Let them go. Yes.
So why is it that men, after eating my food, they will run away? I don't understand. What exactly is going on?
You they ask us. Now who we go ask?
People used to put something in my food whenever I'm cooking.
Let's blame the village people as always. Yes.
I'm cooking this thing for this my guy. I'm a bit scared. I don't want him to stop talking to me after eating the food.
You just buy your iPhone 16 Pro Max. You go first use it. You go first use the money. Don't worry.
Should I be praying? Should I be praying Sam in the food so that men will not eat it and run away?
You need more than that. Thank you.
Pepper soup water.
You need high cholesterol and your colleagues.
As he's eating the noodles, he will be drinking the water.
May so rest. Anyway, continue.
The egg, it is well cooked. It will not disturb his stomach.
At least we'll know that it's not the egg.
Guys, please tell me in the comment section what I should do.
Stop wasting ingredients. No enter kitchen. My work kitchen. Abstain from the kitchen. Thank you.